primary schools are unique places. The children in them are too. Their brains are still developing, still making sense of the world. So shouldn't their teachers' professional development reflect that? Great CPD for primary schools needs to be evidence-informed, practical, and above all, useful in your classroom. But in the whirlwind of primary school life, finding training that makes a real difference can feel like an impossible task. That's where InnerDrive comes in. We help primary teachers understand the science behind how children learn, drawing on the best research from cognitive science, but always designed for the realities of your classrooms. We turn that evidence into simple, practical strategies that work right across the primary age range. Are you after in-person training that brings your whole staff together, or the flexibility of the online Teacher CPD Academy, covering everything from foundational literacy and oracy to SEND and students' social and emotional needs? No matter the format, InnerDrive turns powerful evidence into strategies that work for real primary classrooms. InnerDrive, evidence-informed, designed for primary.